red-throated falcon. Listen to her call. Wow. Now listen to this condor. Well, house guests, I did not expect to see this next bird. The pink flamingo. Just listen.
This is gonna be hard.
This is gonna be so hard.
Red-throated falcon, condor,
Condor
and
and flamingo. What does the falcon sound like?
The extremely rare red-throated falcon sounded like
Like a whale.
the
Condor was kind of like, or
like a frog.
like,
Oh, I thought the flamingo was like a frog.
The flamingo was all different sounds, like
yeah.
the extremely rare red-throated falcon sounded like red bloody murder.
Red-throated.
Condor.
To our right is the extremely rare red-throated falcon. Listen to her call. Wow. Now listen to this condor. Well, house guests,
Nick on day
I
18.
did not expect to see
Yeah,
this
boss.
next bird. The pink flamingo. Just listen.
Okay, so the red-throated falcons, picture red blood,
To the
sounded like bloody murder. That was the
To the
extremely
This is
rare.
right, yeah.
So that was
Yeah,
picture
Sound like a
red
whale.
bloody murder. It was like
yeah.
that's how I'm picturing it, like red falcon to the right, rare, red, right, rare. Condor was like, it was six followed, seven followed by an eight. Seven followed by an eight. It's like,
Yeah.
and then the pink
Wait, do you mean 7 like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7?
seven, and then a
7
one.
like
And the
dinks or whatever.
flamingo was like a bunch of frogs.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it sounded like
does.
frogs.
And it was four
Yeah.
of the same.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
To the right, the extreme. Didn't it say that it was unexpected, one of them?
No, the flamingo didn't expect to see this bird.
Right. So that's.
But flamingo was unexpected.
Mhm.
Pink, it's rare. It's
Yeah.
not rare. Pink, unexpected, bold. Like
Blackbird.
The red-throated
Blackbird
falcon is rare.
the blackbird was like.
The
Oh yeah, you're doing numbers. Like
the crow was 6.
Oh, wait, that's not a crow. The crow.
The blackbird was like,
Blackbird.
Blackbird.
The crow was the smartest bird in the jungle.
yes, smartest bird in the jungle.
Then to the right, the extremely rare
Red-throated falcon.
red-throated falcon.
I'm picturing red throat, like
Yeah, murder,
irritating.
murder
bloody
movie.
murder, red, rare, red,
And then the
falcon.
condor.
Decision until I hear where everyone else's head's at and the reasons why their heads.
If Christy stays, I don't know, that would be difficult, to be honest with you.
Because although it's on my HOH and I get it, made it clear who my target was.
I understand what you're saying, and like I'm trying not to say too many things because I feel like my words keep getting me in trouble. I wanted people that were volatile out. I don't feel like I can answer that question, to be honest with you. Like, I really don't know. for me personally, I have a better relationship with you. So if I was going to put up one of you, it most likely would be her, to be honest with you.
Yeah, that's fine. And I'm playing my own game.
And I'm going to shoot it straight with you. If I won, it'd probably be one of them three. But at the same time, then it's like, okay, if she goes out, if she happens to go out, then I have you coming after me when I'm not playing next week, hypothetically.
I don't even want to cross that bridge until we get there.
Right. Well, I don't either. Like, I really don't even, like, I feel like I've said so much.
But
like, it's gotten so much trouble.
I'm playing my own game just like she's playing hers.
Right, I get
just
it.
like you're playing your own and
Right.
Bella's played hers.
Right. Like, so, and listen, Mick, I'm ready to go. If I did change my mind and thought that you were going to be a target, I would definitely put you up. I wouldn't put you as a replacement. I want you to play just like you give people chances and just like I have. I honestly don't know what I would do.
You're fine. I was just curious.
Yeah.
I was just curious.
But like I said, if I did put one of you up, it most likely would be her, and that's nothing against her. I love Holly so much. I literally have no idea what this vote's even gonna happen. I know you're playing two different games, I get it.
That doesn't change how I look at you.
That's fine.
Straight up.
But I mean,
that doesn't change yours and my relationship.
No, and that's fine. And
I voted against Bella. It didn't change me and you.
Right. Like,
and just like I put up Sis and Chrissy, and I hope it doesn't affect me and Tommy.
Right.
You know what I mean?
And listen, I don't hold any game move against anyone. I know it's a game. Only one person can win. It's going to be hard for us either way. I mean, Christy pretty much just told everyone that she was going to put me up in her campaign, which is fine. She blew up my game, which puts me in a weird spot because now things that I wanted to do going into the week, like get Jess out, might necessarily be possible for me. Because now it's like, oh shit, well, if everyone felt good with me, now people don't, so I'm fucked. Like, my back's on the wall. Listen, I literally, the thing with me is like, I don't care. Like, I'm here to play a game. If I don't win this HOH and someone puts me up and I go home, good for you. I respect it. I'm not going to fucking dog anyone in a campaign. If you want to keep me, keep me. If I'm not good for your game, don't keep me. That's essentially where it'll be. I respect the fucking game. I'm not going to do what was done to me. I know how it feels. And if someone's playing a better game than me, then kudos to them and respect to them. But I mean, yeah, going into this week, like for sure, it was going to be Holly and Jess was my target. But now that she blew up my game, I honestly don't know what I can do now.
I guess I was just.
See if anyone's out there.
Yeah, it was hard. I was mainly asking, I guess, just again because I was asking mainly for my own game.
Right.